So now on to this one. So I bought this book because it was 25 pence many years ago, never read it, and it's just kind of come into my awareness recently and I've started to read it. So I know nothing about this author, or if there's any controversy surrounding it, it's a total disclaimer. I do not know. I'm just picking it up and reading it now. And so far, it's quite a scientific book. It's all about providing scientific evidence for spirituality. And so far, there have been a couple of things that have actually quite resonated with me. I'm only like a third of the way through it, and sometimes it does get a little bit too scientific for me. But there is mention of the actual field is a place that exists on some realm, which is just a sea of energy particles that are just waiting for us to activate them with our intention. And I absolutely love that. So I'm just going to quickly read this little section here. To explain these strange events, quantum physics has postulated that a patisserie relationship existed between observer and observed. These particles could only be considered as probably existed in space and time until they were perturbed, and the act of observing and measuring them forced them into a set state. This astounding observation also had shattering implications about the nature of reality. It suggested that the consciousness of the observer brought the observed object into being. Nothing in the universe existed as an actual thing independently of our perception. Every minute of every day, we are creating our world. That's manifestation. And bear with me on this section because it's about plant-based eating, essentially. Light, of course, was present in plants, the source of energy used during photosynthesis. When we eat plant foods, it must be that we take up the photons and store them. Say that we consume some broccoli. When we digest it, it is metabolized into carbon dioxide and water, plus the light stored from the sun and present in photosynthesis. We extract the CO2 and eliminate the water, but the light, an electromagnetic wave, must be stored. So we are storing light. When we eat plant-based food, we are storing light because we are light beings, and we need that rebuilding of that light within us. So I'm finishing chapter 4, which is about the cells and how things are created from a cell and how a cell knows how to produce an arm or a leg, what have you. And I'm moving into the 5th chapter, which is called Resonating with the World. I will say that this book was written like 25 years ago, so a lot has changed. I'm guessing if this person was to write this book today, there might be some alterations to what was written.